What if I told you that the most powerful AI tools in 2026 are completely free? No credit card, no subscription. In this video, I am sharing the top 5 free AI tools that can save you hours of work every single day. Stay till the end because number 1 is absolutely insane. At number 5, we have Canva AI. Create stunning graphics, thumbnails, and social media posts in seconds. Just type what you want and Canva builds it for you. No design skills needed, completely free. At number 4, 11 Labs, the most realistic AI voice generator available today. Type any text and it converts it into a human-like voice in seconds. Content creators and businesses use this tool every single day. Number 3 is Perplexity AI. Think of it as Google but smarter. It searches the internet and gives you direct answers with sources. No more scrolling through 10 websites. Just ask and get instant answers. Number 2 is CapCut AI, a free video editing tool powered by artificial intelligence. It automatically adds captions, removes background, and enhances video quality. If you are a content creator, this tool is a must-have. And number 1 is Claude by Anthropic, the most powerful AI assistant available right now. It can write scripts, create content, answer complex questions, and help with business ideas. The free version alone is incredibly powerful. If you are not using Claude, you are seriously missing out. Those were the top 5 free AI tools for 2026. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI and tech content every week. Comment below, which tool are you trying first?